Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angela with Angela's Inspired Creations, here to bring you another short tutorial on Cricut Design Space. Today we're going to very quickly go through how to use the group tool in our program. So here on my screen I have 3 stars. Now these 3 stars are separate files, they're all separate little images. I can move them all over when I click make it. They're all separate. They're going to use as little space on my mat as possible, but I'm working on a project and I want them to all stay together. I want to be able to move them around the mat wherever I want them, and I want to maybe resize them here or there depending on what I'm doing in my project. So all I have to do is I just have to group them. I select all 3 just by dragging a drop in there. You can see they're all selected right here, and I'm just going to click the group, which is right up here in my little menu. Click group, and now they're all together. I can resize them. Maybe I want them a little bitty, or I can make them bigger, and I can move them wherever I might need them as I work on my project. That's it. That's group. Now, unlike attach, when I click make it, the stars are not going to stay in that little triangle look that I just made. They're going to use as little paper as possible. They're going to just go on the mat in any order. So that can be a good thing for people that might want to do paper saving mode or vinyl saving mode, or maybe they want to be able to piece different things together once their project is done cutting. And that's completely fine. That gives you some functionality there to be able to move those things around and resize them without having to worry about placing them back in that little triangle all together. So it has some ups, it has some downs. It's however you'd like to use it. So group is just one little tool to help you move all your stuff around. You can easily ungroup items just by clicking ungroup, and now maybe I want to change that, I want to take that out. However you want to do it, it's pretty simple. So group, unlike attach is kind of like your glue. Group is more like a paperclip, I guess, where you're just temporarily putting the pieces together, but they're not going to stay together permanently. So that is group. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys, and you figured out how to use the group tool. I will see you in the next video when we talk about the other tools that we haven't talked about just yet, in super sweet, short and simple little videos just like this one. If you like the video, please show it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you'll subscribe to my channel, you'll get notifications on when I post my next video. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. This is Angela signing out. Thanks. Bye guys.